In the vibrant coastal town of Solara, Bella and Kai, two eco-genius teenagers, shared a passion for science and the environment. Bella, a robotics prodigy, and Kai, a budding environmental scientist, often teamed up on ambitious projects to combat climate change. One summer, they designed a solar-powered drone named Helio. Equipped with advanced sensors, Helio could analyze atmospheric conditions and even seed clouds to produce rain over drought-stricken areas. Their innovation quickly gained attention, and they were invited to demonstrate it at the prestigious GreenTech Expo. While testing Helio in the mountains, the drone detected unusually high carbon emissions in a nearby area. Intrigued, Bella and Kai investigated further, only to discover a sprawling industrial complex operated by Orion Corporation. Despite its public image as an eco-friendly company, Orion was secretly burning fossil fuels at alarming rates to manipulate the energy market. Shocked, the duo realized that Orion's actions were accelerating global warming for profit. Bella and Kai decided to expose the corporation's wrongdoing, but they needed undeniable evidence. Using Helio, they gathered data on emissions, water contamination, and illegal deforestation linked to Orion. Their mission was not without danger. Orion's security drones spotted them and gave chase. Bella expertly piloted Helio through narrow canyons, while Kai hacked into the pursuing drones to disable them. After an intense pursuit, they returned home safely with the evidence. Determined to make a difference, Bella and Kai shared their findings with environmental watchdogs and journalists. The expose made headlines worldwide, forcing authorities to shut down Orion's illegal operations and hold its executives accountable. With the corporation dismantled, Bella and Kai used Helio to continue their environmental work, helping regions affected by climate change. Their invention inspired others to take action, proving that young minds could make a monumental difference. Moral of the story: protecting the Earth is a responsibility we all share. Even small actions, driven by innovation and courage, can lead to significant change.